Once upon a time, 2/3 of every Tamil were following Jainism. And even today, 40,000 Tamil speaking. Their mother tongue is Tamil, but they are following the Jainism in Tamil Nadu. I am hailed from Tamil Nadu. I can proudly say that there is a deep and historic connections between Tamil Nadu and Jainism. And once upon a time, it is hard to believe, but that was the truth. Once upon a time, 2/3 of every Tamil were following Jainism. That is not well represented in the history, but that is the truth. And the contribution of Jainism to the Tamil literature and culture during the Sangam and the post-Sangam periods are huge and immense. Classical Tamil works such as Silappadigaram by Ilangovadigal and the Konguvelir, who is hailed from very close to my hometown, and in Vijayamangalam, he has contributed the Pirangada, a translation of Pragat Kada, which was further abridged as one of the 5 minor epics of Tamil literature, Udayana Kumara Kaviyam. These are the greatest contributions of the Jain monks, which reflect their philosophical and ethical ideals of non-violence, truth and renunciation. And our Kaniyan Pungandanar, Ulesanar, our Kanimedayar also contributed as Jain scholars all the time. There were several Jain monasteries across Tamil Nadu, in Nadunadu and Tondai Nadu, which served as the centers of blading. The ancient Jain temples existed in Chinnakanji, Pulal, Ponnurmalai, Tirumalai, Vijayamangalam, Chinapuram and Kudumiyan Malai in Manargudi. There is a Adinadar temple in Chinapuram, and even today there are 40,000 Tamil speaking. Their mother tongue is Tamil, but they are following the Jainism in Tamil Nadu.